Welcome everyone. In order to take astrophotography on your Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, first of all you need to be outside. It needs to be extremely dark, okay, at night. You also do need a tripod with a phone holder, right? And then from here you just open up the Photos app. You're going to slide all the way across until you see night sight. And for me, I have studio lights here. It's way too bright, so obviously I'm not going to see the option. But you're just going to tap on this downwards arrow. You see astrophotography, make sure this is set to auto. And then from here, you just want to make sure that you place your Pixel 6 in the tripod, okay? This will not work if you're not in the tripod. Place it in the tripod and then place the tripod facing up to the sky. And then from here, it will automatically detect that you want to take astrophotography. You tap on this toggle. You may want to tap on the screen to focus at a certain point. And then from there, you tap on the shutter button and it will start the astrophotography. So keep in mind, it will take 4 minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes for the photo to process. It takes a ton of photos in order to get all the light information for the best possible results. So leave it there for 5 minutes, and once you're good to go, it should be saved to the Photos app, the final result. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.